Para maunawaan natin ang mundo ng lesbian, gay, bisexual, at transgender o LGBT, please welcome the Executive Director of Bagong Pag-asa Ministry, John Zulueta. John, maraming salamat for your time and gracing the show again.
Thank you also for having us here once again, Peter.
Yeah, it's our joy. So, John, ano ba ang Bagong Pag-asa Ministry? What is it all about?
Ang Bagong Pag-asa ay tumutulong sa mga tao na gusto nilang mapagtagumpayan yung kanilang same-sex attraction issue. At tumutulong din kami sa mga simbahan na gustong malaman kung paano mag-reach out sa LGBT community at paano rin natin matulungan yung mga kasamahan natin sa simbahan na merong problema sa kanilang sexualidad.
So, John, is there a new saying na hindi naman nabubuntis ang mga LGBT pero dumadami sila? Ano ba ang mga dahilan? Bakit sila dumadami?
Napapansin siguro natin ngayon, no, Peter, sa ating society na nagbabago at mas nagiging accepting tayo sa LGBT. At isa yon sa mga kadahilanan kung bakit mas lumalago nga ang LGBT. Dahil kapag mas accepting tayo, mas permissive tayo, then mas na-encourage ang mga tao na merong struggle sa same-sex attraction na lumabas na lang, mag-come out na lang, kesa maghanap ng tulong kung paano nila mapagtagumpayan ang kanilang same-sex attraction.
Parang mas madali yun, no? Come out in the open.
Yes.
So, ano ba ang mga signs para malaman ng, let's say, na kung ang anak mo ay nalilito sa kanyang gender? Are there, for a parent, signs to look out for at the early stages of their kid's life?
Yeah. Magandang tanong yan, no, Peter? Kasi sabi nga, prevention is better than cure.
Yeah, amen.
Kaya, kapag nakikita natin na yung ating anak ay hindi siya komportable sa kanyang gender role, yung batang lalaki, for example, ayaw niya ng mga panlalaking activities
Yes.
or toys, gano'n. Gusto niya sa girls' toys. Warning sign na sa atin yon. O kaya, kumbaga, sino ba ang kinokopya ng ating anak na babae? Mas kinokopya ba niya yung boses, galaw, at kilos ng kanyang ama o yung kanyang ina? Mga ganong bagay. O kaya, sino ba ang kaibigan ng ating anak?
Right,
For example,
yeah.
kung anak na lalaki, mas komportable siya makipagkaibigan sa mga babae kaysa sa kanyang kapwa lalaki at nag-isolate siya kapag nandyan yung mga kalalakihan sa komunidad. So, mga senyales yon na maaring nasa pre-homosexual stage ang ating anak. At importante na gabayan ang ating anak para hindi siya mapunta sa homosexuality.
In your opinion, John, sa experience mo sa ministry nito, which is more, if I can say, the cause? Is it because a man got molested when he was young? Or is the greater cause a man grew up without a father?
Both, Peter, actually.
Very strong na
Yes,
yun.
very strong yan. For those who are sexually molested, like 95% of those who came to our ministry had experienced sexual molestation or abuse. And also, yung mga, they felt unloved by their same-sex parent, or they felt that they were being rejected or abandoned by their same-sex parent.
Okay, so talagang malakas ang importante yung father role sa ministry. Would you consider homosexuality as sickness? May sakit? I mean, sakit ba yung homosexuality?
Joke nga namin sa ministry na parang kung siguro may gamot dyan, ay sakit yan, bumili na kami ng gamot. So, hindi siya sakit, pero masasabi natin na ito ay isang kahinaan na kinakailangan natin mapagtagumpayan. It's like if you are addicted to a drug will always be a temptation to you.
Right.
With homosexuality, your same sex, the attraction, the desire to connect romantically, erotically, and sexually is also a weakness that we need to overcome.
But is not the temptation, but is the urge is it the same na for a homosexual, when they see a good-looking guy, or for the guy who was formerly a playboy, when they see a good-looking lady, nandun pa, is it the same? Do you think it's the same?
Yes, the urge may be there, but as long as you do not feed on it, it may not
There you go.
become
That's the, yeah.
as strong as it is now. So it may diminish through time,
Yeah.
or it may even be eradicated
Correct.
completely by the
Correct.
grace of God.
And I love what you said, as long as you don't feed on it. Because that thing, the devil, the enemy will always find a way to put something or someone before you, whether it's an attractive lady or a good-looking guy. But what you do when you look, ayun sabi mo, yun ang as long as you don't feed on it. If every time it happens, you just dismiss it, walk the opposite direction, then there'll be a time na wala nang epekto sa iyo yun. Maski na masurround ka pa dyan,